2024 Ferrari 296 GTS, and a client of mine brought in 2-year wait he had on this car. It sat at the port for another 10 weeks with no explanation why it couldn't be released, but he finally got it, gave the instructions to the dealer to only wash it because it had been sitting for so long and don't do anything else. Needless to say, when the car came in, as with just about every Ferrari I've ever had in the shop, a major paint correction was needed on every panel. Buffer trails, excuse me, sanding marks, everything on every single panel. And I've documented everything. I don't always add those to my YouTube videos, but everything had to be corrected. Anyway, what he requested is PPF, after this paint correction, PPF on the whole front end, the doors and the rocker panels. So that's what we did. And then the exterior was ceramic coated as well. We also did ceramic window tint, 50%, so you can see it's very light, but that's how he likes it. So ceramic expel tint, and everything is pretty much protected. No ceramic coating on the wheels and calipers, because I always recommend to my clients with carbon ceramic brakes, you really don't need it. There will barely be any brake dust, so my recommendation is save your money. Not something you have to do. Now this is a client that found me through a YouTube video because he's had several other cars, including an F8 that he's about to bring in next when he picks this one up, that had full body PPF and ceramic coating, and he realized that he was completely not happy with the work on that car. The shop somewhere in Miami or South Miami, I'm not sure where, did it. He happened to see a video of our work and contacted me, and has been bringing his cars in ever since. And hopefully the future ones will be coming here as well, as long as he stays satisfied with the work. As you can tell here, this color, by the way, I believe it's called blue SWAT. I've never heard of that color, but that's what he told me, so I need to research it and make sure that that's what it is. I mean, I'm not downing his word, but I don't even know how you say it. Like I said, carbon ceramic brakes, no coating on here, not necessary. There's a coating on all the plastics, and as you can see, again, as I always try to point out, you don't see any edges on our PPF. Look at that. Everything is tucked away. I'm getting as close as I can. No film exposed, nothing visible. Every edge I can go to right there. No film to be seen. Neither on the mirrors. Everything is completely invisible around the emblems. And that's the reason why he started sending his cars here, because he saw the difference in quality between what we do and what the previous shop in Miami had done for him. Same thing here. Look at that. Even the very corner has no film exposed. So the car's ready, PPF'd, tinted, and ceramic coated.